Hi, Brett VanScoter here, owner of VanScoter Insurance Agency. Thanks for watching our video. This video is basically going to be a summary of my monthly email news blast letter that I send out. I tried to get it actually embedded into the email that I was sending out, but unfortunately the file size was too large for it, so I'm sending this out separately. I know now whenever I get an email or I'm on the web or something, I have the option of going through it and reading an entire email or an article, or I can just click on the video and watch a 2 or 3 minute video on it. I'd much rather do that. I seem to get more out of watching videos, which I'm sure a lot of you do as well. And with high-speed internet these days, it seems like streaming through a video is no problem for anyone. So that is kind of why I'm sending this out in conjunction with my email newsletter. So as I'm sitting here today, I'm patiently, or not so patiently, waiting for my cell phone to go off. Christine and I are expecting our second baby any day now. She's due September 5th, and so I'm keeping this phone charged up and close to me at all times, because I'm ready to go at a moment's notice to run and pick her up and head to the hospital. So we're very excited about that. And especially because the anticipation is building so greatly for this, because we don't know the sex of the baby yet. We did the same thing with Casey, our daughter, with her. And so we're running a baby pool right now. The last day to get in is tomorrow, and we're pretty much asking people to guess the sex, the date that the baby's going to be born, the time, and the weight. So it's a sex, date, time, and weight. So if you're interested in getting in, follow the link below, or you can email me directly at rhett@vanscooterinsurance.com. Send me your guesses. Just make sure that you put your name on there so I know who you are to get in. So pretty much everyone who's entered so far, they're still in because nobody has put before the 31st for the due date of the baby. So that's good. Everyone's still in. Now for kind of the insurance portion of the newsletter. I was reading the Democrat Chronicle today, and I saw an article stating that there's 2 people arrested in Greece for stealing tools from a job site. Now I don't know about you, but this just makes the hair on the back of my neck stand up. Not only because they're stealing and it's wrong, but they're stealing from contractors that need these tools to make a living. Without their tools, they can't do anything. And so it really frustrates me to see that. And of course they're using their car to haul off these tools. They're valued over $2,000, and of course the car was stolen as well. So it's kind of the cherry on top of that story. So I insure a number of trade contractors, and for the most part, most of them take me up on my offer to provide some sort of tools coverage, even if it might not be all their tools. They usually do buy some sort of tools coverage because they know very well that if their tools are stolen, that hey, they're not going to be able to make any money. They're pretty much going to be out of work until they get those tools replaced. And insurance settlements, like a lot of people know, take time. They usually don't turn right around and give you a check right away. You have to show proof of ownership. You have to give them receipts. They do a background check. You have to fill out a lot of paperwork. So it could take a few weeks to get the settlement. The contractor cannot wait that long to get a check. I recently had a contractor that I insured had his tools stolen right out of his driveway in his trailer that he used for his business. And luckily he was insured with Erie Insurance. So I spoke with the adjuster, and I told him the situation, that it was a contractor, that he needed these tools for jobs that he was getting on this week. So Erie stepped up to the plate. They gave him a starter check for the tools that he needed for that week, and then they kind of worked out the remainder of the tools over a period of time to get those replaced. So that's exactly how you want your insurance company to respond. You want them to step right up. If you can't give them a starter check, get that claim settled as fast as possible. I was very happy with the way that Erie settled the claim, and the contractor was. The claim is pretty much settled with minimal disruption to his business, so he was very happy with that. And I try to tell people that you can get $10,000, of tools coverage for usually around $100 a year, which is a very affordable price. And I know a lot of people get hung up on price a lot of times, but when you're a contractor, you have to know that, without your tools, you are out of work. You're not able to make any money. So if anyone out there knows any contractors, or if you're in a contractor and you'd like to find out about how much it would cost to insure your tools, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. And now for kind of the fun part of my monthly newsletter, I love doing this part, is we do a raffle drawing for a $50 gift card. I mix it up every month, usually. It seems recently it's been to just a Visa gift card. This month I felt like Best Buy. I feel I've been more interested in kind of getting some gadgets and things like that, so I find myself in Best Buy a little bit more recently than before. So this month's winner, we drew it out, is going to be Molly Gardner. Molly's a client of ours, and she's getting this $50 gift card. We're going to drop it in the mail to her. We'll probably drop it in the mail either Wednesday or Thursday for her, so she can have it, by the weekend. And it's great. I'm glad Molly got it. She was one of the more enthusiastic people who sign up with us. Not that she was obviously happy with the coverage and everything that we gave her in the premium, but we also send out a welcome packet to clients, which most of you know. And in there we have these little VanScoter Insurance tattoos, and pretty much we say if you send us a picture of you sporting this tattoo, that we'll enter your name into our monthly drawing 7 times. So now Molly didn't send us the picture of her with it, but she did force her boyfriend to do it. So I'm going to try to input the picture of her boyfriend here, and he went above and beyond. Not just like anyone. He didn't just put the tattoo on his shoulder. He went right for the neck tattoo. So he was walking around sporting a good VanScoter Insurance neck tattoo, very proudly, and that's what we'd like to see. So any of you out there want to get entered 7 times into our monthly drawing, as easy as sending us a picture with a tattoo. It doesn't have to be on your neck, but we do ask that we can see your face in the picture, so we can send it out, and show to people and brag to people how proud people are to be insured with us. So, and remember, if you want to be next month's raffle winner, all you have to do is tell your friends, family, coworkers, random people walking down the street about our agency. Every time someone calls, says they're referred by you, we'll enter your name into our monthly raffle drawing, and we'll send you a $10 gift card automatically, whether they buy or not. You don't have to be a client to participate. Anyone's welcome. And remember, VanScoter Insurance Agency, don't be fooled by the name. We insure more than vans and scooters.